What do retailers everywhere choose when they are looking for a multi-speed finish to produce an exceptional immediate gloss and an ultra-hard wear layer that holds up in extreme traffic with outstanding resistance to scuffs, scratches, and black heel marks? One Coat 25 responds excellently when maintained with conventional, high-speed, or ultra-high-speed equipment to continuously shine bright and impress customers. This versatile favorite of retailers is also a floor finish of choice for building service contractors, schools, hospitals, and municipal facilities who want outstanding durability and lower labor costs.